Here's how to darn a sock. Use anything that is hard and round and will fit in your sock. I'm using a light bulb. Wrap the sock around the round object and use a rubber band to secure it in place. Use a thread or yarn that is similar size as your yarns in the sock. I'm using a contrasting thread so you can see what I'm doing. Do not knot your thread. Some people do knot their threads, but I try to avoid making a bump that will be annoying to step on. Start in the bottom left corner if you're right-handed, opposite if you're left-handed. I'm just going to tuck the end of this thread into the inside of the sock. There are needles specifically for darning, but I'm using a regular hand needle. Follow the rib of the knit and pick up a little of the sock on the opposite side of the hole and pull the thread through. Repeat that going in the opposite direction. I'm darning this one on the outside of the sock. If you don't want the darn to be noticeable, turn the sock inside out and do it on that side. Continue this process until you get to the other side of the hole. What you have made are called warps. I'm tightening these up a bit. Turn the sock 90 degrees and weave the thread through the warps you just made by going under, over, until you get to the end. Pick up just a little of the sock and weave back through to the other side in the opposite order. Over, under, over, under. Repeat this process until you fill up all the warp threads. Hide the thread tail by weaving it through the darned area and clipping it close to the fabric. The darned threads will hold it tight. Bring the other thread tail through to the outside and repeat this process.